In this video, I'm going to walk you through installing the Bluewallet app on Android. You can follow similar steps to do it on your iPhone. Open the browser and go to bluewallet.io and then tap on the Google Play button. This will bring you directly to the authentic version of Bluewallet provided by Bluewallet Services SRL. Now tap Install. Now tap Open. Now we have to create our first wallet inside Bluewallet by tapping Add Now. I'm going to select Bitcoin, and I'm going to leave the name as My First Wallet, and I'm going to click Create. I'm going to write down these 12 words, and then tap OK, I wrote it down. Now I see my brand new Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to tap on it. In order to do my first Bitcoin transaction, I'm going to tap on Receive to view my Bitcoin address. Yes, I have backed up this wallet's phrase. I'm going to tap OK. I want to receive notifications. Now I'm going to tap on the address to copy it to clipboard. And then I'm going to back out of this screen. Okay, that's all the steps to set up your first Bitcoin wallet using Bluewallet.